You've got questions about the Breezy balcony on the Islander? Well, we're going to give you the answers. It's always exciting the very first time you open the door to your cruise cabin. It's even more exciting when you have upgraded and you were planning on being in a room with just a window, but you worked your way into a room with a balcony. We're pretty excited about this. The last time we were on a Spirit class ship, which the Islander used to be called the Costa Atlantica. It is a Carnival Spirit class ship. Last time we were on the Spirit, we were in an interior room, so we're excited to get to see what a balcony room looks like on this older class of ship. One of the things I'm sure you notice right away is the branding, the little flip-flops that they have etched into the mirror. These are some beachy looking things that weren't there before. You'll notice a consistent color palette throughout the ship. License to chill. That wasn't there when this was a Costa ship. They put those letters up there just to be sure you knew the chill vibe is expected on Margaritaville at sea ships. As you look around, you see things like living on Islander time on the pillows, a different carpet that looks a little bit like sand on the beach. There's a beach scene up there. The compass rose on the wall. Everywhere you look, they have done something. And I'll tell you, we're in this room for 6 days, 5 nights. The more we looked, the more things we saw. We kept seeing Margaritaville touches that weren't there before. The balcony, it's pretty small. I'll be honest, not huge. It's got 2 little chairs, not lounge chairs, just regular chairs and a little table, a fake teak wood, like a rubberized teak wood down on the bottom. We do have glass below the railing, which is great. On the World America, we had steel down there, and it changed the vibe of the balcony 100%. This balcony has the best closures on the dividers to make sure that the people on the balcony next to you can't peek through and see anything. That's 2 twin beds pushed together to make a king-size bed. Look at that. There's little parrots embossed on the cover. That what do they call that? A duvet cover? Yeah, it's got parrots in it because Jimmy Buffett fans are called parrot heads. And that's where Margaritaville, the concept, came from. We've got that turned down all the way. You saw a very standard old school type thermostat. There's a hairdryer in the top drawer. The rest of the drawers are empty and available for you to unpack into them. That's where the missus put all her stuff. In those drawers down here, we have a little mini fridge that is empty. And that's the way we like it. We don't like to have a bar that we have to keep track of how much does it cost and did we use it or not. Nope. Lots of storage space to put all of our stuff. Plenty of room. There's your ice bucket, some cups. They have a safety program that you have to watch on the TV as part of the muster station drill. Let's see what we have over here. That is a closet with life jackets at the top. We've got your safe. In your room safe, you should always put your passports, cash, any other valuables that you don't want to lose or that you may want people to grab for you if you somehow don't make it back to the ship. They can grab those things out of the safe for you. The rest of the space in the closet's pretty wide open, lots of hanging space, a couple shelves. There's all the emergency information for the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. We are on deck 8 in this room. There we go. Look at that. Hartono. He said call him Tono or Tony. Here is the bathroom. Yeah, mind your head. You don't want to bang it on those 2 little towel hooks. The towel hooks on the outside are actually dock cleats. How's that for clever? You saw a little switch on the outside to turn the lights on and off. Once you get in here, it's pretty old school. You know, that's like a resin sink with a single bowl, single faucet. You got a couple hand towels, the toilet paper on the roll as well as a couple spares, a trash can up underneath, some tissues up underneath. Those black things up there are washcloths. It says refresh. That is embroidered in them, and I don't know why. Shelves to put your stuff on. I put my toiletries on that one as the week progressed. A couple of cups for rinsing your mouth. A note that says that if you put the towels and things on the floor, they'll wash them. Otherwise, hang them and you can reuse them. There are some towels hanging up there. Notice we have a shower stall with a shower curtain instead of a glass wall. If you're a little bit bigger and you bump into things, that could probably be better for you. We have body wash, shampoo, and conditioner and dispensers on the wall. That is a wand. You can change how the water flows. Use that information recreationally if you like. Water pressure and temperature adjustments. There's your toilet back on the left. Yep. Pretty standard little bathroom. As we leave, there's the towel you put on the floor so you don't get a soppy mess down there. The desk is on the right. The pull-out couch is on the left. The bed out in front of you, and then the balcony. For power in the room, we found that there is one US outlet and one European outlet at the desk, and each of the lamps has USB ports, but those USB ports didn't work. The other interesting thing in the room is there's a little light that comes on in the mirror itself right above the desk. If you touch where that light is on the mirror, it is touch sensitive. It'll turn on a light around the border of the mirror. We thought that was pretty cool and pretty modern on such an old ship. Thanks for joining us for this quick tour of the Breezy balcony room on the Margaritaville at Sea Islander. Is it the right room for you? We've shown you the room. You're going to have to decide for yourself whether this is right for you. What I can tell you 100% is we enjoyed this room. We were very happy to have it. We were there for 6 days and 5 nights. Had a blast the whole time. The room served us very well. Please subscribe to Get Report Travel so you don't miss any of our ongoing travel coverage.